really have to know how to do online marketing. Now, if you don't know how to do that, sayang ang imuhang gibuhat, 'di ba? So, pasensya ka dito ha, marag na technical glitch. Commute. Okay na? Sige, thank you. Pasensya kay na technical glitch. So, what we are saying is that kung magbuhat kag social media, it's not pwede nga bunditso na lang kag advertise. Yes, dili pwede, di ba? We experience that. Then, pila ko'y gasto mag-boost ka og ads. And then, only to kuhan nga, wala ra gyapon kay makuha. Nga naman, you're not able, walang tayo skill. And then, if you're not someone into that, isod kayo. Others are, what they're doing is that, magbuhat sila og flyers. Manang, you can really see nga, ibutang nila sa mga sakyanan, ato sa sakyanan, ang ilang buhaton is, papilit sa wiper. And that's not very effective. Nga naman, dili man tanan nga imong mabutangan na mogi gusto mo ulam. Napoy ana sa mga malls, mga tagog flyers, napoy mga word of mouth. Word of mouth is that you really have to have that good reputation as a lending company. Because if you don't have a good reputation as a lending company, then what will happen is dili po ka ganan mo recommend. 'Di ba? So, basically, ang gipangbuhat sa mga lending companies, mga traditional, is that online, they have the kanang flyering, they have the word of mouth. And then, lastly, na sila, pwede mag-visit kag mga institutions, makik-partner o mga companies, or mo-present sa mga kanang companies, para lang mo at tumuhulam sa ila. And this is very tedious. It's really hard to do that nowadays. Mo nang you really have to integrate technology yun when it comes to doing your marketing para sa imong lending company.
So Go Easy, how long have you been, because you spoke about you were also doing that in Go
Yes.
Easy, doing those things, online marketing. So how long have you been doing, getting yourself involved into digital marketing or online marketing? And do you think it has helped you?
Yes, basically what we normally do in the past years, probably mga 3 years na may gabuhat na 4 years, kanang mag-post mi sa mo ang ads ato sa Facebook. No, we do that. But then, again, if you don't know how to do it, it's not really as effective as it should be. Diba? That's why in what we do is, pwede may nasad mi gibuhat, no? By the way, we do text messaging. Ang among gibuhat with the text messaging is that katong mga existing customers na mo, amo sa silang i-remarket. Mo nang gibuhat kay dili gyud sayon ang pagbuhat or magbuhat kag ads through social media. Dagko gyud gasto kung dili ka kabalo bitaw. Mo nang while we have been doing that, the struggle also is getting someone to do it the right way. Kay dili man pwede ako while I'm the CEO, I don't have the luxury of time to do it.
To do things manually.
Mo nang kinahanglan jud ta og tabang. That's why with Go Easy, we're trying to improve and tap kung asa gyud may makatap. Ano mapil mi og pasapan di nga na.
I see. So those things that you've mentioned, those are also strategies that what other traditional lenders
Yes.
are also doing. And with what you said, it's really costly. We've even talked to some of lending companies as well. They need to spend a lot on someone who will manage their social media pages, and other than the paying of boosted ads or doing ads on Facebook.
Yes,
So
yes.
it's actually a lot of effort and resources
Oh.
as well. So what do you think as part of these people who are involved in doing these marketing strategies? So
The online.
what I mean, not only online, but what strategies do you think you can share to our audience, and how do we employ, or what strategies we can employ so that we can get or retain these borrowers or customers?
Okay. So the question is that once you have your customers nga nanghulam na with your lending company, no, regardless of unsa, your question is unsa na to pag-retain para dili bitaw sila mobalhin?
Yes.
It's gonna be like this. No, when you do business, you have to understand that lending money is not just lending money. you're actually giving service to your customers. In fact, one of our values in our organization, in Go Easy and in Pasafan, one of our values is that we have to be customer bias.
Yes.
It's really important nga kita customer bias ta. How do we express that being customer bias? What we do in our organization is that we have to make sure that we address the issues, the concerns nga ilang ipangbuhat. No? Initially, when we were doing the lending, among gibuhat is manual gina siya tanan, mag-fill up sila form, mano-mano gyud. But then, we found out nga there's a better way to do it. We can do it like, pwede na ka mag Google Forms or online na lang ipang-submit. But there is a challenge still. That's why while we have been doing that, para ang among customers bitaw nga mag-reapply sila yung loan, dali na lang. Dili gid gyapon na siya efficient. Kay mano-mano man, inig-submit, balik na pog submit. Unya, ang nakapait sa dana is that submit mo na the security is not as secured compared to doing it with a platform really. So, hatag kag service among gibuhat is mo na gi-improve na mo nga dili na lang limited to manual application, pwede na nga online or pwede among i-recycle to lang mga form para lang yun nga ma-feel sa customer or borrower nga uy pinangga man kay ko wala na koy hassle kay buhaton. Now beyond that, we also give like matagtag mga candy sa mga customers kay kapoy man sa magpaabot. Dagat kag pwedeng mabuhat para lang ma-retain yung customers. Ang importante, ang keyword here is that you really have to be biased sa imong customer. Dili pwede nga ang imo lang unaon nga ang imong company maka-earn. Kay earning will follow when you have good customer service. Mao nang maningkamot kita na. And nowadays, ang nakanindot is that there are many ways to better improve the service that you are giving to your customers. One of which would be in our case, we do our service with Pasafan, mo na magibuhat nga online na lang pod. So mas dali para sa mga customers nga mo borrow sila og loans.
What other things are you doing aside from, you mentioned a while ago about text messaging your borrowers. Do you think that still coincides with being customer biased and providing them with relevant information to their loan applications, loan statuses?
So in relation to, again, giving service to our customers, no? So every time nga ang among borrowers mobayad, amo na sila textan og confirmation nga nadawat ilang bayad. Kay ikaw, especially karon na may bayad GCash or ang uban mo bayad through bank, they would not know kung na-acknowledge ang bayad. So what we do with Go Easy is that automatic mo send na sila message nga, oy ma'am, sir, nadawat na mo inyong bayad. And that really made good impact with our borrowers kay they feel secured nga ilang bayad, abot yun. Diba? And another thing to make things better pag yun is that usay mo gud malimtan, usay malimutan nga natay bayaran na niya, magasto na yung kwarta. So, we really feel ako mangulang ko niya, i-remind ko nga nakoy bayaran na malipay ko.
Yes.
So what we do is that days before, say 5 days before, mo remind me nga, uy, mudyo na imong kuan, ingani mong bayranan. So, it's just nga, wala minaningin nila, but to remind them. Kaya naman kita yung mga borrowers nga, you don't have to make paningil nila. Immediately, sila na po. But then, it's always a good effort on the part of the lending company nga magpahulam sila. I mean, mo inform sila sa ilang borrowers nga nanay due date. So, malipay sad sila kay, uy, at least, ay, nalimot ko, may gani, wala ko nagastong kwarta. So, nga na magibuhat.
I see. So, you have implemented and integrated technology
Yes,
into
into
your traditional lending business. And can you personally attest that it has improved your lending business?
Yes. Oh, of course, when you have technology in your business, kanang ma-improve gyud ang journey sa imong customers. Importante man gud karon if we are to observe what is happening